Good morning, Brian. It's Adam from Tangible. How you doing? Wanted to just send you a quick video on Tangible. I just got here to the shop. Just here in the park, ready to walk in, and why don't we do so now? Walking up to the front here. I really enjoyed our call yesterday. I hope you guys do really well. You seem like a really great guy, and I'm really looking forward to getting to know you here. So let me switch this camera around so you can kind of see. Yeah. Got the red, white, and blue up there. Got a couple of our military flags up there. Got Chris sitting there, coming down through here. Got the machines over here. Everyone starts to, we do 410s, and then we got people that come in on Fridays to do planning, get ready for the week ahead. Christoph, say hi to Brian.
Hey Brian.
Tell me something about yourself.
I am awesome. That's number one.
Where's Matt? Is he around?
He's getting coffee.
Okay. You got your ring on?
Founded the company. No, I'm watching it.
This is pretty cool. Get a little closer. There we go. Chris printed that. Didn't even tell any of us he was going to get married.
Or my parents.
Or his parents. Not even me. What the hell is wrong with that? So, anyways, here's my desk. We all sit out on the floor here, so we love it out here. It gives us a good sense, a good pulse of everything that's going on. What, kind of hearing that ambient noise. I'm going to see if I can go find Matt. I'd like you to meet him. Here's quality over here. This used to be an old paper printing factory. There's our weight room in the back. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. No, this is a new app that I'm trying, but everyone should be starting trickling in probably around 7 o'clock today. But I'm going to sneak in here on Matt. Say hi to Brian.
Hi, Brian. Sit here eating. You're supposed to approach me while I was doing
something cool on the computer, not stuff in his face. Matt is our wizard. Say hi.
Hi.
Say a little something about yourself.
Not my mouth full.
Yeah, now you got a salami in there.
I'm the director of engineering, and kind of do basically a little bit of everything for what touches customer parts, from incoming design, helping you guys out if you need it, or just recommending what's best practices, to all the way to the end, the inspection of the part. So I do a little bit of it all, and the guys here kind of give me the freedom to be able to use my experience and that device to help our customers out. So.
Awesome. Cool. Matt's also got 3 children and keeps them hopping. So awesome. All right, man. Have a great day. Brian, hope you enjoyed the video. Good morning, and we'll talk to you soon.